So like it's a Chev motor stuffed in there on the ground. This is small. This is a 27 T-bucket for you guys. Let's see what they got out back. Woohoo! Look at this strange rear end. Look at that. I think that might have to be our little cover photo. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? You guys realize what's going on here? Yeah, those are drive axles. Those are the brakes. The last time you guys saw something like that, probably never. We aim to please on this channel. Look at the side pipes. Cool looking deal. Nice little touches. Little leather straps. No, comment below. You guys like this?